welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time. It's been about 5 years, I think, since we did our last video, and a lot has happened since then. We moved house, we moved country, we had a baby, we're going through the world pandemic, which I'm sure everybody is aware of. So basically we decided to revive the channel because I had many messages asking why we're not filming, because you guys like the videos. So now our baby's grown up a little bit, we have a little bit more time, so we decided to come back and start the food channel again. Basically, it's going to be Anna's food, Anna's kitchen and lifestyle, so we're going to concentrate more on probably budget-friendly foods. As you can probably imagine, a lot of people lost their jobs, things have been quite a bit tough since the pandemic, so we're going to concentrate on slightly different food areas in terms of budget-friendly kinds. Obviously going to include the lifestyle videos, anything to do with babies and food, and eventually restaurants where we can go out, and anything that's basically to do with our lifestyle. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the videos, and I really appreciate you holding on and waiting all this time and still subscribe to the channel. So hopefully you enjoy the videos, and the next video is going to be a tour of my lovely kitchen with better lighting and hopefully better sound. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.